Welcome to a product video from the Rauch Furniture Group in Freudenberg. In today's product video, we take a closer look at our SALIGO model. It's a 4-door sliding door wardrobe with a synchronized moving system for the center doors. In order to emphasize the individuality of our customers, we offer the wardrobe in 4 front variants. First, the plain version, decor, or as shown here, in plain glass. That means the entire door front in one color. Secondly, a horizontally mirror application, top and bottom in decor or optionally in glass surface. The third option is a vertical mirror application, just like these, and the doors left and right will be in decor or glass. And last but not least, the fourth option. We offer horizontal glass applications, which are, when completed by car case colored, door panels at the top and the bottom. Our SALIGO wardrobe is available in 3 widths: 271, 316 and 361 centimeters. All wardrobes are available in 2 heights, 223 and 235 centimeters. To match the options in glass or mirror, the handlebar is always chrome colored. That gives your wardrobe a classy detail. You can find matching accessories on the display or inside the wardrobe at the showroom. Each car case section has serial, 2 shelves and 1 hanging rail. Additionally, you can place some drawer sets, wardrobe divisions and a variety of storage options. You can find a complete overview inside the sales book. Please remember to order the door damper for the external doors, as this contributes to the longevity of the furniture. The damping of the center doors is included as standard. With our chest ranges Aldono and Aldono Deluxe, which match our wardrobes from the Orange Plus segment, we offer the ideal addition. Aldono is available in decor and high-gloss front versions. At Aldono Deluxe, we additionally offer glass fronts. Depending on the front design, we offer a variety of handles, car case colored as well as aluminium and chrome colored, as well as in different handle styles. You can find the entire selection in the sales documents or as sample handles inside the showroom of your furniture retailer. With the Lito bed system, every customer can set up a complete bedroom. There is an extensive range of articles here. For example, bed frames in width from 90 to 200 centimeters. The bed length, 200 cm, is a standard. However, we also offer a shorter length of 190 centimeters and access length of 210 and 220 centimeters. We show you the bed frame here with a plinth, which can be combined with the plinth drawers optionally. Alternatively, the bed frame can also be ordered with feet. The beds are completed by an individual headboard in decor as shown here, also in forks leather or woven fabric. Under the name Lito Plus, we also offer a higher footboard, so that we can also meet the needs of customers here. Of course, all beds and chests are available in the same color combinations as your SALIGO slider. Did you know that Rauch produces its furniture exclusively in Germany? From the tree to the chipboard up to the finished furniture, everything from one source. We are extremely proud on the variety of our quality labels, and especially for Made in Germany.